Okay, I'm recording already. Okay, in the number 598,346, the digit what is in the 10,000s place? Okay, so you have the digit 5, 9, 8, 3, 4, 6, 10,000 place. If you do not know this by now, then you really have to work on your place value. Okay, if you do not know this by now. So your 10,000 place, you go back from the back. From the back, it is ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000. So which one is in the 10,000 place? Digit number 9. Number 3 is your answer. Okay, so give yourself a mark, a tick if you're right. Which of the following is the same as 20,130 ml? 20,130 ml. So you're supposed to convert this into liters and ml. So just to refresh, 1 liter is 1,000 ml. Okay, right now you're given 20,130 ml. So I know that every 1,000 from here, it is actually in the liters form already. So how do I do this? So this is not simply by taking which one is this is 2 liter, then 0,130, no, because it's 20,000. Okay, in this case it's 20,000. This is your liters, 20 liters. 1,000 is 1, 2, oops. 1,000 is 3 places, right? So this is under your liters, the 20. So the balance will be 130 ml. Answer is number 4. If you get that, tick. All right. Each of the figure below is made of identical squares. Which of the following does not have a line of symmetry? Symmetry means equal mirror image. If you don't understand that, just look at your palm. Okay. For example, this one, symmetry means equal mirror image, like that. This is symmetrical to one another. Okay, like that. Okay, so it must be equal, and it will be really covering one another if you fold it to half. Okay, which one does not have? This one have. This one have. This one have. Number 2 doesn't have. Okay, so this is number 2. All right, please mark your work. Number 1 is 3. Number 2 is 4. Number 3 is 2. All right, ready? Next one. We do number 4, 5, 6 first. Go part by part so you can see clearly. Number 4, the capacity of a tank is 5/8 liters. If the tank is 7/8 full, what is the volume of the water in the tank? You take note, this 5/8 liters is not just normal fraction, okay? It is actually a volume. Can you see the liter there? This is 5/8 liters. This is the volume or the capacity of water in the tank. So when I say it is 7/8 full, the tank is not full. It is only 7/8 full. So what do I do here? What is the volume of water in the tank? So we take 7/8 times 5/8. Answer will be in liters, okay? So in this case, it will be 35/64 liters. Answer is number 3. This is correct. I can't simplify anymore. Marge has some muffin. She can pack all of them equally into either trays of 10 or 12. What is the smallest number of muffin Marge has? When you have this kind of question, think about multiples, common multiples of 10 and 12. All right. So 10, you can put down 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 12 will be 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. Okay. And 72. All right. So which one is the common or smallest one? It is actually 60. Number 2 is your answer. All right. Mark if you get this right. Now, number 6. What is 5.63 less than 7.96? Less means you subtract. Okay. Even though the blank is in front. I know some of you think the blank is in front, what? So must add. Please read what they're asking you. Less. that number in front is 5.63 lesser than the number behind. Okay, so you subtract 7.96 minus 5.63. When you subtract, and this is paper 1, you cannot use your calculator. Please be very careful in your working. Okay, so it will be 2.33. Number 1 is your answer. Okay, I can write 1. Okay, there you go. Right, please take note of the answers. Please mark. For corrections, you can do so later via Padlet. Next one, number 7. Find the value of this. Very easy. First things first, when you want to do anything with fraction, the denominator must be the same. Okay, you can see that the denominators are not the same. I'm going to change them into the lowest common multiple, which will be 12. Okay, 2 over 3 plus 1 over 4 plus 5 over 6 equals to times 4 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 4. 8 over 12 plus 3 over 12 plus 10 over 12 equals to, then everything over 12 already, right? Fine, let me look at the numerator. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 10 is 21. I cannot leave it like that. This is called an improper fraction. Change it to become a proper, not proper, mixed number, a proper mixed number. Equals to, by one look, I know it is 1 whole. How do I know that? 12, 24. You see, this is the first 1 whole, right? So you take 21 minus 12. That will give you your whatever over 12. This will give you that. So it will be 1 whole, 9 over 12, right? 9 over 12. So I can simplify? Yeah, I can divide by 3 divided by 3. Equals to 1 whole 3/4. Number 2 is your answer. Please mark. Number 8, the ratio of Edward's weekly expenditure to Felicia's weekly expenditure is 12:5. So this is Edward, this is Felicia. Always indicate like that. If Edward spent a total of 266 more than Felicia in 2 weeks, what is Felicia's weekly expenditure? 2 weeks, they say 2 weeks, but this ratio is for weekly. This is for 1 week. Your first step is to find out how much more did Edward spend than Felicia in 1 week first. So you take 266 divided by 2 weeks equals to 133. This is in 1 week, the more for Edward versus Felicia. So you have Edward is to Felicia 12:5. Okay, so what you do is you're going to find a difference to compare, right? So 12 minus 5 equals to 7. 7 units. I'm going to use units. You know why it's unit? Because ratio simplest form is units, right? I'm not going to say that. I know you all know already. Is 133. 1 unit is 133 divided by 7 and I get 19. Do I want that? I want weekly expenditure for Felicia, 5 units. So 5 unit is 19 times 5. And my answer is 95. Answer is number 1. Please mark. Number 9, there are 40 otters in a park. 24 of them are male while the rest are female. What is the ratio of female to the total number of otters? So I have 40 in total. I know that 24 are male. How many are female? What do I do? 40 minus 24. This will give me 16 female. Okay, then they want female is 2, total. Female is 16, total is 40. You divide it by 4 and divide by 4. You are going to get 4:10. Simplify some more, divide by 2, divide by 2, you get 2:5. Answer is number 2. Okay. Number 10. If given, it is given that star plus circle is 68. If the value of star is 18 less than the circle, find the value of star. Okay, so when you have this kind of question, very common also in exam, okay, you just have to take note of the information that they give you. Star plus circle is 68. And I know that the star is lesser than the circle, okay? So if you want, you can draw out your model just to represent your thoughts. Okay, star is lesser than circle. So star is shorter, then the circle is longer, like that. Shorter by 18. This is to put down your thoughts, because sometimes you see this kind of thing, you don't understand. What are they talking about? Okay, then do this. Okay, it's a comparison. So, and I know that my total is 68. Correct? I want to find the value of the star, this one. From here, you can figure out, right? So you're supposed to either focus on finding the circle first or the star straight away. What I can do is I can do either or by taking 68, take away the extra 18. This one, this portion is extra, right? Take away this thing first. Equals to 50. Once you get that 50, this 50 is actually referring to this part and this part. Okay, so it will be 50 divided by 2 equals to 25. Isn't that my star already? Right? That's my star because I'm actually finding this portion already, which is 25. Number 1 is the answer. 11. 1/8 of a number is 315. What is 2/3 of the same number? Okay, another way to do this, if you don't understand, rewrite all this information. So 1/8 of a number is 318. First things first, what is the number? What is the number? Let's find a number. How do I do that? Draw the model. If you don't get it, draw the model. Cut out into 8 parts. Okay, I have 1/8 is 315. The number is the whole thing. This is the number. So you know that this is 1 unit. 1 unit is 315. The whole number is everything. Everything is 8 units. Agree? Okay. So 8 units will be 315 times 8, not divided by 8, times 8. Okay. And my answer will be 2520. This is my number. So the same number is 2520. What is 2/3 of? Of means times the same number. 2/3 times 2520 over 1 equals to 1680. Okay, you go and simplify. Go crosswise first, means this and this can simplify. Then after that, you look at the numerator. All right, answer is number 3. This is answer. Number 12. Bert spent 4/9 of his pocket money on food and 1/5 of the remainder on books. Okay, this one you can draw model also. Let's draw out based on the first fraction. So 4/9, right? Cut out into 9 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is what he spent on food. 1/5 remainder, this is my remainder. Okay, and 1/5 of it is spent. I can change color. Let's say this one is spent on books. Okay, so you take note, the food is actually 4 units. The book is actually 1 unit. Then they say he spent $8 on the books. Okay, so 1 unit is $8. The whole thing, everything that he spent is 4 plus 1 equals to 5 units. So 5 unit is 8 times 5 and I get $40. Number 3 is your answer. Okay. Number 30. The figure below is made up of 3 cm squares. When they say 3 cm squares, it means that each square, this one square, the side is 3 cm by 3 cm. That's what it means. Okay. Find the area of the shaded part. Let's look at this diagram. It is a triangle, right? It is a triangle. You can. There's 2 methods to do this. One of the method is to find how many squares are there which are shaded. And then you times it with the area. That's one way. Okay. So example, you find out how many squares are shaded. So you know 1 square area is actually 3 times 3, right? 9 cm squared. So you find out how many squares are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then you see the half triangle, right? You join 12. Then this 2, 13. This 2, 14, 15, 16. They are 16. So 16 square area will be 16 times 9 equals to 144. This is one method. This is method number 1. All right, now I'm showing you method number 2. Let me show you first. So you know that one side of the square is 3 cm. Wait. All right. The second method is, you know that each side of the square is 3 cm. Let me just put down here so you will not get confused. Side of the square is 3 cm. So let's look at the figure again, and then let's identify the base and the height. You know, area of the square, area of the shaded part. Oh no, area of triangle. The shaded part is a triangle, right? So half times base times height. We need to identify the base and the height. The base will be here. This is the base, okay? And then, right, so the base is down there, and then the height will be down here, like that. You know that the height is perpendicular to the base. Perpendicular means 90 degree, right? So we know that the base is down here lah, very easy. The height will be here. This is my height. Okay, remember that each side is 3 centimeter, right? Let's count how many squares are there for the base. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one, I'm counting this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm counting the base, the bottom part there. So the base is actually 6 times 3 cm equals to 18 cm. Get it? Okay, now the height, there is 1, 2, 3, 4. So height is 4 times 3 cm. That will give me 12 cm. So if I want to put it into my formula, half times base times height, like that, equals to, I can simplify, and answer will be 144. Am I right? 8 times 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 lah. Ayah, why I get 6? Sorry, wrong counting. 24 cm. So this will be 24 times 12. 24 times 12. So you cancel this one, and then you cancel this one, you get 144 cm squared. Okay, so your answer is 144, just that I'm showing you the 2 different methods. Right, can you see? Method 1 and method 2. I like method 1 better, faster, to me lah. But if you can't see how to actually join that 2 triangles to become 1 square, then it's okay. Just do your method number 2, okay? Next one. There are 2 pairs of hamsters in a cage. Each pair of hamster is made up of a male and a female. Each pair of hamsters will give birth to 2 pairs of hamsters every 20 days. How many hamsters will there be at the end of the 80th day? Okay, this is like a pattern question, but in words. It's a pattern question, but in words. Okay, so you write out lah. So we are looking at 20 days, right? Every 20 days, each pair of hamster, pair means 2, will give birth to 2 pairs of hamster. Okay, we write down this one first. 20 days, 2 plus 2. All right, the 2 pair of hamster will give birth to 2 pair of hamster at the end of 20th day times 2. Okay, so equals to 6 pairs. All right, this is the 2 hamster. This is the 2. This one. This is this. This is this. Understand? I'm putting them into words. They become like that. Get it? Okay, now this is 20 days. Now 40 days, because I want 80 days, right? We go by 20. We go by times table 20, multiples of 20. So this will be another one. All right, in 40 days, it will be 6 times 6. Not 6 times 6 plus 6. Because there's 6 pairs already. You see, after 20 days, right? There's no longer 2 pairs. It becomes 6 pairs. So 6 plus 6 times 2. Give birth to another 1. 2 pairs, right? Equals to 18 pairs. Okay. Now, become 18 pairs, right? So in the 60th days, it is 18 plus 18 times give birth 2 more. Equals to 54 pairs. All right. Now, 80th days will be 54 pairs, right? 54 plus 54 times 2 more pairs equals to 324 pairs of hamster. Okay, so it will be number 4. This answer. Understand?